All right, we're in San Francisco kicking off our coverage of the biggest week in biotech, and I'm with arguably the biggest story in biotech from last year. This is Marc Garidel. He's the CEO of Abivax. I looked at your stock price at last year's conference. It was $6 a share. Now it's $115. More importantly, it seems that you've done something really interesting in medicine and science for these UC and potentially beyond that patients. What has it been like being the person in the middle of that? It's become a sensation.
It has been pretty incredible. We started a year ago at JP Morgan announcing that we would deliver these induction results. But to be fair, we didn't expect the quality of those results. So when in late July we realized that this drug could work essentially in all type of population for ulcerative colitis patients, we were obviously very excited. The KOLs told us this is a game changer. This could be the next standard of care in ulcerative colitis. So our excitement was incredible. We raised $750 million, within a few hours, allowing us now to have enough cash, until Q4 of 27.
Yeah.
So, and ever since, it's been just incredible. And in Berlin, we presented the detail of that data, which was acclaimed by again the medical community. So
yeah.
We are lucky to have a good drug.
I was actually in your office during those hours that you raised all of that money. That was an exciting time. Well, we've actually just recorded a formal interview where we dive deep. Of course, you have big data coming up towards the end of the second quarter and later on this year in Crohn's disease. And I did my best at asking the question that everybody out there is like trying to get me to ask and you to answer, even though I understand it's difficult for you to answer. But it's always great to see you. Truly congrats on a great year, and let's make next year an even better one. How about that?
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
BiotechTV's coverage of San Francisco Healthcare Week is brought to you by HSBC Innovation Banking.